This is a Volkswagen Golf, and since 2005 it's done nearly 100,000 miles. But in the last 4 years, Kimberly has only cleaned out the interior twice, and it's safe to say this thing is crying out for an interior detail. So let's do it. Today we've got Kimberly's Golf. The interior is not too nice. I'm going to turn that around this afternoon. I'm going to try and do it in 3-4 hours, which I think is achievable. So let's just crack on. As always with the interior, I like to take the seats out. So the first job is going to be disconnect the battery, take the seats out, and start vacuuming up all the debris first. It's like a rabbit's been living in it. Oh, this is shit. So I totally underestimated the poor suction of this hoover. It was not up to the job, but never mind, I just cracked on. So the dirt on this side is a lot more ingrained. I'm going to use the little Tornador tool to try and blow it and try and lift out that ingrained dirt, gravel, mud. I don't know what this stuff is. It's a mixture of everything I've seen. This car hasn't been hoovered in a very long time, I don't think. So it is what it is. So the Tornador was so good on the carpets on the inside of the car, I decided just to use them for the floor mats as well. I blew out the dirt using some good old-fashioned APC, nice and easy. Right, so that's the interior sorted. As I said, it's so much easier if you remove the seats. You have access to everything. Vacuuming is a lot easier. This particular car, as you saw, it had loads of ingrained dirt in the carpet, so I did have to use the Tornador a lot more than I expected to try and blow out all that ingrained dirt and then vacuum up. But really simple, straightforward stuff. So to finish off the detail, I used my rubber and trim dressing just to give a nice matte dark finish on the interior, and then I used a microfiber to knock it down further so it didn't have any shiny residue left. Given I had 4 hours, I'm pretty happy with the results. It's not perfect, but as always, I gave it a good shot.